Okay, question number 5. It's a quality of written communication question shown by the asterisk next to the 5. Margaret is in Switzerland. The local supermarket sells boxes of Reblochon cheese. Each box of cheese costs 3.10 Swiss francs. It weighs 160 grams. In England, a box of cheese costs £13.55 per kilo. The exchange rate is £1 is equal to 1.65 Swiss francs. Work out whether the cheese is better value for money in Switzerland or in England. So to work out that, we need to get directly comparable amounts. So we know in England, we're told the cheese costs £13.55 per kilo. So we're going to convert the Swiss cheese, when the cheese is bought in Switzerland, we're going to convert that to find out 1,000 grams, which is 1 kilogram, and we're going to find out in English currency. So look at the currency first. So we've got £1 is equal to 1.65 francs. We know we spend 3.10 francs. We're going to see how many 1.65s there are in 3.10. That will tell us how many pounds you spent. So 3.10 divided by 1.65 is 1.878787. That's what our calculator display gives us. So we know that now in Switzerland, the 160 grams of cheese is equivalent cost in English currency is 1.878787 recurring. Now it's important that at this stage we don't round too early in our calculations. So we need to get to 1,000 grams, because that is the same as 1 kilogram. So let's find out first what 100 grams is. So to go from 160 down to 100, we're going to divide by 1.6. If we do the same to the right hand side, divide by 1.6, again use a calculator. So £1 878787 recurring divided by 1.6 is £1 17,424 recurring. Carry on. So that's 100 grams is £1 17,424. We're now going to find out the cost of 1,000 grams by multiplying by 10. And we're going to multiply our currency by 10 on this side. 1,000 grams is then equal to £11.74. Okay, the next digit would be a 2, so it stays down at £11.74. That's 1,000 grams in Switzerland. In England, the cost of the same cheese, 1 kilogram, is £13.55. So in Switzerland, 1 kilogram is £11.74. So the cheese is more expensive in England.